Good morning from Gold Coast, Australia. My name is Ellie Fraser and today I'll be doing an acrylic pour with you. I'll be using a funnel. So I've never done that one before, but we will give it a go. I did try, what's it called? A sink cylinder thingy. I don't know what it's called, but I did try it. Didn't work. Scraped it off. So we're going to go ahead and try that one. This is a carry-on from another two that I have done, which you'll be able to see if you head back to my YouTube channel. These are down here. So a ring pour and a flip cup pour. So like I said, head back to my channel, you can watch those get made. So I'm going to go in using the same colours as I did on those two pictures. The white, grey, black and a nice blue colour. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm going to zoom you in and let's go. Okay, so I got my glovies on. I am going to start pouring it into the cup. And I'll go in with a white first. So putting a bit of white in there. Now the grey, silver I should say, very metallic-y. Black. I don't want too much black, so just a dash in there. Oh, I'll do a little bit more. Should be enough. Back in with the white. Oh, where's that running off the side? Okay, and a little bit more grey, silver. So okay, I'm going to go down and put some white all over this, try and hide some of that colour that I didn't, well, painting I didn't like. I'm just going to use my hands to spread it all over. It's nice and early here in the morning. We've already got people doing the lawn, so that's probably what you can hear in the background. And bear with me, I'm not a morning person, so maybe not as chatty as I normally would be. Okay, so that's all done. Take the gloves off. Now to do this, I think I'm going to sit it down first. No, I won't start there. I'm going to start over here and run it as much as I can. Anyway, let's go. No, hang on. Hold it by that. Okay, hopefully I've poured enough mixture in there. I've said I've never done this before. Oopsie, Jesus. It's already coming out the bottom. Probably should have watched a YouTube channel of someone else doing this first to see if I'm doing it correct. But anyway. Okay, so that's the mixture all in now. Lifting up, go back over. So that's it poured out. Okay, plates get tilting. It's all out. All areas. Like I said, I hope is I put enough paint on the canvas to spread all out. Love the black coming through there. Normally I don't like the black too much. It actually looks really nice. There's already cells popping through there, or lacing, whatever you want to call it. Now to hopefully spread it down to this corner. Come on. Walking it down. Let's go. Hopefully you can still see that in the camera. Oh, no. What a disaster. Made it all the way over the canvas. How cool. Really like that one. I'm glad I swiped the other one and done this one. Looks really, really nice. I am going to obviously try and get all this paint off my hands. I'm going to go on with the blowtorch. Not too much happening, but that's okay. There's already some nice, if I zoom in, once I finish doing all this, I'll zoom in and there's some nice little patterns coming through these bits. Really marbly look everywhere, so I'm very, very happy with that. Let it all dry, and then I'll put the three together and take a photo and post it up. Let me know what you think. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, it's free and it literally only takes a couple of seconds to click that button. And while you're there, you can click the notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.